Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elena. Today I'm going to show you how to cook those chicken wings. A really nice and simple recipe. So let's see the ingredients. So for this recipe we need the chicken wings, which I cleaned and cut before. We're going to need a lemon, some oil, paprika, pepper, salt, dry vegetables, this is optional, and garlic. So let's get started. Right, on top of the chicken I'm gonna add the salt, a part of the vegetable stock, pepper, paprika, the lemon, the lemon juice is really nice. It will make the meat to be like really soft. Okay, a little oil, and the garlic. The garlic, it's optional again. We like the garlic. Not many people love. Okay, and the last one. Mix them all together. Like so. So now that everything is mixed together, we just need to put them on the tray and in the oven. And next in the tray. And I'm gonna serve them with some rice on the side and vegetables. And I think it's a really nice and healthy lunch or dinner, like we said. It depends on what time of the day are you cooking this, right? So everything is in the tray now. It needs to go in the oven for about 40 minutes at 180 degrees. Hello guys, so this is the recipe that I have for you for today. I hope you like it. I really hope that you're gonna try it. Let me know in the comments below what you think about it. And make sure that you subscribe so you'll see more videos coming. Thanks for watching. Bye.